Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. Here today we are going to discuss number pattern and figure pattern, that is from your chapter 8 pattern. In this session we are going to learn how to fill number pattern and how to fill figure pattern. Number pattern, the answer to pattern can be found in a number two different ways. So here you can see that first question is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You have to fill such numbers. You have to find the relation that further what numbers can move on. So if I just try to find the relation, if I increase 2 in that, so 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So further if I add 2 in that, 2 in 10, so what I'll be getting? 12. So the answer will come 12. Fine. So in different ways you have to find the relation. Now the second, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. So very first you will find a relation. Then after finding the relation, then you have to write the next term or next number. So if I try to find that what can be 1 and 4, what's the difference between these two numbers? 3. Then 4 plus 3 7, or else you can do 7 minus 4 3. So basically the difference comes for 3. So 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, and if further I add 3 in that, in 13 I'll be getting 16. Now complete number sequences. So here you have to fill numbers. Finish the number sequence below, complete that 128, 129, 130. So can you see the difference? In each and every number we have the difference of 1. So further if I continue this, so I'll be having 134 and next I'll be having 135. Same 520, 519, 518. So here if you see this, if you observe this, that relation goes decreased. So 520 minus 1, 519, then minus 1, then minus 1, it goes so on. So if I continue the same, I'll be having 514 and the next I'll be having 513. 870 plus 1, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Next will come 876 and next will come 877. So you have to find pattern or a number in such a way that we can fill the blank. Next, what comes next? So here also you have to find the secret or the relation. What would be the next? 7 8 3, then 7 in mid, then 3 8. So here they have shifted. Then what the next? What would be the next number? It would come 7. 9 9 0, then 9 9 9. How many times 9? 3 times. Here we have 2. So the next number will come 9. 2 6 6, 2 6 6. The next number will come 2. 1 5 5, 4 5 5. The next series will in the same, that 1. Clear? So you have to identify the rule or the pattern. Next we have what are the missing numbers. So 14. How can I relate these 14 and 20? If I subtract 2 from 14, I'll be having 12. Then again you subtract 2, you'll be having 10. Again you subtract 2, then you'll be having 8. Again you subtract 2, then 6. Again you subtract 2, then you'll be having 4. So in this it will come 8 and in this balloon it will fill with 4. Clear? Next, pattern, figure pattern. So if such type of figures are given, how will you fill it? That circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, then blue triangle, then square, heart, square, then heart, then half, then rectangle, then half, then rectangle, then smiley, star, then smiley. So you have to fill the pattern by using such figures. What is the missing figure? Again we have diamond, circle, diamond, so it would come circle. Rectangle, triangle, rectangle, then triangle. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, what will come? Rectangle. Very easy exercise. And this you have to find the relation here. So if you see, this is a triangle bounded by 3 segments. This is a square using by 4 sides. This is a pentagon. Why penta? Because it's a closed figure by using 5 segments. So the next should come 6. Now you just try to find out that figure that is made by using 6 segments. So if I count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the A option will be your answer. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.